Silver ended the year 2023 on a flat note. Look at where it has started and where it has closed. Almost flat. Yes, it has been a swingful year, but not much of the movement has been seen in silver. Now, what to expect from silver in year 2024? Can we expect it to shine more, or is it just going to remain in range? Which position you should, and what to expect from silver in the 2024, we are going to see with the help of charts and because indicators does play a major role when we try to summarize and give you the direction. If you are new to the channel, do subscribe to the channel, do like, share and comment. Towards the end of this analysis, I will give you the trading levels and strategies specifically for the coming week and for the month of January, and I will give you the long-term outlook for the year 2024. Do watch till the end. Let's have a look at the momentum in silver. See, this was the consolidation zone, then the rise. Look at the rise here. Now see, retracement has erased the gains. If you notice, this is the zone from where this rise has started and the price is retraced towards the same zone. Now look at the momentum, rise, retracement, and in my daily analysis and my monthly review, I have told several times that this is a good bullish flag formation and silver has now given a breakout. Now after the drop, it is now retracing and giving you higher highs and higher lows. Now look at the zone for 2024. See, this is going to be the zone for 2024 in silver. Now, if you look at the highs are well above $30 levels, where in fact we can look forward to $32 if it continues with this upward momentum. And the lows are going to remain intact towards $19 or $20 levels. Sorry, $22 or $25 levels at max. So this is going to be a probable range. Right now, yes, it is giving you higher lows and higher highs. But we will look into further detail here. Look at the momentum here. Rise, retracement, rise, retracement. Then lower highs, lower lows. It has started to trade with lower highs, lower lows, and suddenly after showing a reversal, now it is trading in this bullish channel. If you notice, last 3 months, higher lows, higher highs. Now, for the coming month, in January, if the prices are seen trading above 2450 levels, we can expect that we are going to look forward for silver to break out above $26 levels and move towards 2660, the max which it can try to achieve in the month of January. Beyond this, there is a probability that once it continues its upward momentum from the current levels, we can see it is scaling towards $30 levels. In the next 2 to 3 months, the prices might try to act bullish. Yes, it can try to move towards. See, this is what I am looking forward to, $28, $30 levels in the near future. Thus, forming a double top here, and this is what I will look forward to. At that point, we will look how it behaves. That is the point from where prices of silver might try to start falling, and that is going to happen possibly either in the second half of the year or towards the last quarter. That is my expectation. Let's also have a look at the indicator. Look at the indicators. Moving averages, the 50 and 100 period have just crossed over. 20 period and 50 period moving averages, giving it a very, very good support. This makes $22 levels, 2180, 2150 levels as the greatest support for silver in the coming few days. Only bearishness, if the prices stays below 21 and $20 levels, you can say that it has turned bearish, as there is still bullishness intact. Look at the monthly charts, rise, retracement. Now looking, this is a third leg and it can take it on the overbought sides, and hence next few months silver might try to continue to stay bullish and achieve $28 or $30 levels. Look at the MACD. There is only one concern point with respect to MACD. See, it has completed this journey here. It has hit a neutral level and now retracing. Only one concern point, yes, it can scale on the upside, but look at the slope. This is a vertical drop. This is a gradual rise. Thus, it is still to be treated as a retracement unless and until we see extreme divergence, as silver is not showing much of the strength here. I will wait for a couple of strong bullish candle, wait for it to retrace here and then possibly take a U-turn. RSI almost staying within the zone, and the volumes have shown a little increase. Look at the last candle here. Throughout the year 2023 and 22, we have seen diminishing volumes. Thus, and last couple of months or more, we have seen increasing volume. That's a good sign. Now, let's have a look at the weekly. On the weekly charts, now this is the zone where we have the maximum support 23, 23, 50 levels. Yes, as long as these levels are respected, we should be staying bullish for silver, and the prices might try to stay in the zone. Also, look at the last candle. This appears that one drop, couple of retracement, first red candle and a series of red candles can be expected from the current levels. Thus, the prices might try to trend bearish for the next couple of weeks, where we can look forward to 22.50 or $22 levels, and from those levels we will see how it behaves. But as I said, as long as $21 levels are respected for the month, we should not be treating silver as bearish. Yes, it is trying to show a little reversal, and only sell entry is if you see it staying below 22.40, 22.50 levels. That is the only level below, or rather I will say in fact 23. If you see the price is staying below 23, you can expect more bearish momentum to prevail, and then I will look forward to 22.50, 22.40 levels. A stochastic has retraced here. Look at the MACD. Now MACD, interestingly, after forming double top, we have seen it retracing, and now this is the time for it to show you the rise. And yes, it can scale towards the highs. See silver, what it has achieved on the MACD on weekly charts, extremely higher levels. Right now we can see prices trying to trade in a range, and the highs are still far above. RSI comfortable, volumes are increasing. That's a good sign that volumes are increasing in silver, which can bring little further volatility. Coming to the daily, likewise on the daily chart, see sharper drop here, retracement, and again it is trying to find some support here at 23.50, 23.20, 23.80 zone. Very good support. Look at the last two candles after consolidating first breakout, second breakout. Possibly next couple of trading session or next week we may see silver trading slight bearish, and 23 or 22.80 levels can get achieved. We have to, we can expect a possible bounce back, as long as, now see, this is the bottom here at 21. Now 21 is certainly an extremely good support, and only if prices stays below 21, you can say that silver is turning bearish. Look at the daily stochastic, it has dropped and it can reverse again. Now interestingly, MACD, now this is what we have seen on the weekly charts. It has retraced slowly and now it is crossed over. This crossover can be treated as bearish. Possibly next week we may see slight bearishness, or for next couple of weeks we may see slight bearishness in silver. Taking the support from 22.50 at max, we can see a reversal in the prices. RSI looking down, the stochastic is volumes have certainly reduced here. Now we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators. Time for me to give you the summary of the observation, give you the long-term outlook for silver, what to expect, what not to expect, what levels you should exit if you're taking a buying position, or if it is going to crash, what levels you should go short. We will share the summary, but before that, if you want to learn this art of trading, you can join my 28th mentorship batch starting second week of January. This is the 28th batch. Equip yourself with the tools, techniques, and strategies which can help you identify profitable trades and help you trade profitably. I do share my daily analysis and updates on silver. Do not miss this, and does subscribe to the channel. Do like, share, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, and yes, you can also be part of my signals channel on Telegram. Reach out to me via Telegram or email for more details, or visit my platform www.forexfunda.com, which do have details of the mentorship batch, but also it does carry the economic calendar, the charts, the community where you can discuss with the like-minded traders, and also you can schedule a call with me if you need any consultation in the live markets. And yes, we do have a webinar series where every Sunday we discuss what to expect from the markets in the coming week. I do take a holistic view of indices, commodities, currencies, volatility index together, and give you deeper insights of the markets. Do register for the webinar, as it also comes with 2 live consultations with me where we can discuss anything and everything. So do visit the platform forexfunda.com for more details, or reach out to me via Telegram or email. Now with that, first let's talk about the levels to buy. If you see, the price is staying above 24. Now see, 24 and 24.20 are 2 levels you should watch out for. If the price stays above this, we can look forward to 24.50, my favorite. Yes, it has been a greater resistance throughout this last few sessions. And if it stays above this, I will this time look forward to 24.80, 25.20, and this time directly towards 26. Now these levels are applicable completely for the month of January and specifically for the next week also as well. But beyond 26, this time I will look forward to 26.68, 27.25, and then 28. Yes, I am looking forward to 28 and $30 levels. If not in the month of January, next few months, or in the first half of 2024, we can definitely expect silver to achieve higher highs before looking forward to any further retracement on the downside. But right now, the beginning of the year might remain slight bear. Thus, to take the max out of it, you can sell here at 23.50 levels. Now see, 23.50, 23.40, very good support zone here. Be careful here. Then 23.20 and 23. This is again a very good support zone for silver. Any move below this, you can expect 22.75, 22.50 and 22.40. Now 22.50-40 zone is the next support zone. Thus, you have to be careful. First at around this zone, then at around this zone. If the price stays below this, you can say that now the bears are back and we are going to look at 22, 21.50 and $21 levels. Before looking forward to a rise, these levels might get achieved. And as I said and shared, as long as $21 is respected, do not treat silver as bearish. For the next few weeks and months, we can expect a possible bounce back, and this bounce back can be stronger enough. Thus take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, join my platform www.forexfunda.com. And I wish you all a very happy and prosperous new year and a profitable new year 2024. I wish that all your trades goes in profits and you all earn great profits in this year. Thus, stay tuned with the daily updates to stay profitable. Like, share, subscribe and comment, and join the services. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week and trading month and a year 2024. Happy New Year. Thank you very much.